Hello, friends. Today we will do the last part of the present tense, and that is present perfect continuous. First of all, I would like to tell about the use of this tense. We use to describe any action which started in the past and still continue in the present. मतलब जिस वर्क को हमने पास्ट में स्टार्ट किया था और वो टिल प्रेजेंट टाइम कंटिन्यू है. For example, I have been waiting for my friend for 15 minutes. Now it means I started waiting for my friend at 8 a.m. And now the time is 8:15 and I'm still waiting for him. That means I started waiting for him in the past and 15 minutes में उसकी wait कर चुका हूँ. And now the time is 8:15 means present time is 8:15 and I'm still waiting for him. So in that kind of situation, when we start doing anything in the past and that work is still continue in the present, to describe those situations we use this tense present perfect continuous. And the structure or the rule of this tense is we use subject plus has or have been plus ing with the first form of verb plus object. As I told you in the present continuous also, that for continuous tense we use ing with the first form of verb. As this is also continuous tense, so here also we will use ing with the first form of verb. And in this tense we use since and for also where time is given. Let's have a look at the examples. I have been working for 2 hours. That mean पिछले 2 घंटे से मैं काम कर रही हूँ. And my work is still continue. That means still I'm doing my work. And next is she has been doing her work since 2 o'clock. Means 2 o'clock से कर रही है वो अपना काम. Now, if you know about the subject, verb and object in detail, you can watch my first video that is of a present and definite tense, in which I have told about those in detail. Now, what is helping verb? A helping verb is used with the main verb to help express the main verb's tense. That means from the helping verb we will come to know whether the tense is in present, past or future. And in this tense we will use has been or have been. Now where to use has or have been? Has, as I told in present perfect also, we use has been with singulars like he, she, it or any single name. And have been we use with plurals, they, we or any plural names, and except I. I is singular but with I we use have. Now next is the use of since and for. Since we use with the exact starting point of the time. यहाँ पे किसी भी काम को start करने का exact time दिया होगा. For example, since 4 o'clock, 2000, 1998, since morning, afternoon, evening or night, or any year like since 1994, since 2 o'clock, 2 a.m., 7 p.m., since Monday, Tuesday, or January, February, childhood, or birth, or that day means where exact time will be given. Now, next is for. For we use with the duration of action means time period of any action. For example, for 2 hours, मतलब 2 घंटे से, for 2 days, 3 years, for 1 hour, for 1 week, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Now, once again, I will tell you when to use this tense to describe an action which started in past and still continue in the present. For example, I have been teaching in this school for 4 years. Now 4 years is time duration. That's why I use for. Now if I say I have been teaching in this school since 2016, now 2016 is the exact starting point of the work. That's why I used since. Next example is she has been working for 2 hours. Means वो 2 घंटे से काम कर रही है. 2 hours time duration. That's why use of for. And She has been working since 2 o'clock. Now, 2 o'clock is the starting time of his action. That's why I use since. Next, we will do the types of sentences. And first is simple or affirmative, in which we don't ask any question. They are totally simple sentences. And the rule is same: subject plus has or have been plus first form ing plus object. And examples are, she has been sleeping for 4 hours. That means वो पिछले 4 घंटे से सो रही है. And still now she is sleeping. I have been working in this company for 3 years. It has been raining since morning. I have been riding bike since night. She has been playing for 1 hour. That means वो पिछले 1 घंटे से खेल रही है and still now she is playing. I have been teaching English for 5 years. She has been learning music since January. He has been cooking for 2 hours. Now, next is negative sentences when we deny something or we are not agree with someone. And the rule is same, we just need to add not. Subject plus has or have plus not plus been. जो been है वो not के बाद आएगा. Plus first form ing plus object. And examples are, she has not been working for 2 hours. He has not been taking a class. It has not been raining since morning. You have not been playing since 1 o'clock. I have not been going to school for 1 month. And we have not been taking online classes for 1 month. And sorry for that, I just forgot to add not in the sentence. The kid has not been playing with toy for 20 minutes. And same is the case with this sentence also. And next type is interrogative. We use the sentence to ask questions, and the rule is helping verb at the front, has or have plus subject plus been plus first form ing plus object. Have I been working for 2 hours? इसका मतलब है कि क्या मैं 2 घंटे से काम कर रही हूँ? Has she been sleeping since 9 o'clock? Has she been taking a class since 4 o'clock? Have they been speaking English since birth? Have I been teaching English for 4 years? Has she been eating ice cream for 20 minutes? Have you been playing football since morning? Has it been raining since night? Next type is interrogative plus negative. That means combination of both. That sentence will be interrogative. That means question also and plus negative also. And the rule is has, have plus subject plus not plus been plus first form ing plus object. And the examples are, have I not been working for 2 hours? Has she not been sleeping since 9 o'clock? Have they not been speaking English since birth? Has she not been taking class since 4 o'clock? Have I not been riding bike for 2 hours? Has she not been cooking for 1 hour? Have you not been going to school for 2 days? Has Rohan playing chess since 3 o'clock? I hope you have understood this very simple tense. And thank you for watching video.